Hi, this is Sushil here. In the last video, I explained to you about Toronto butterfly chart. In today's video, I'll be explaining you comparing two sets of values, that is your sales volume versus margin. So let us see our data. So this is my data where I've given you some year wise, volume wise and margin. You can download this sample data from my description. Now this is the data. So according to this data, I would like to compare two sets of values, that is my volume wise and margin wise, that is percentage. So you can just click inside and press Ctrl A. So my entire data is selected. Now you can click on this option of yours called as insert. Then click on this icon. This icon is called as a dialog box. Click on all charts. Then click on column graph and clustered. So in this case, you have to take this graph called as clustered, and then you can say OK. So this is the graph will come like this. I'll just make the size a little bigger. So you can make the size also a little bigger, that is your wise. I'm just clicking on this option and home, click on your home tab, size, can increase the size. Same thing your legend. I've got two legend here, volume and percentage. Again home, making this also size a little bigger. So as you can see, my graph is showing me like this, but it is not showing me your percentage wise, it is just showing you your volume wise. This blue color is your volume wise. So you can click on this blue bar, that is your volume, right click and click over here, change series chart type. In secondary axis, you just tick mark over here, this box. Click on this arrow sign, it shows clustered, but we don't clustered, we want it as a line with marker. So you get a line like this, which tells me, okay, I'll say okay. See, this is my margin, percentage. This blue color is volume. So it shows me my sales went top, down, and then again went down and up, like up, down, like that. It shows me. So now this side that you see, this is your format axis. I can click over here, can change this color also. I'll just make the size a little bigger. This is for my volume wise. So I'll just give a color as blue. Can make it bold also. I don't want bold. Okay. Same thing, percentage, that is your margin wise. Can click over here on this format axis. Home option, color I'm giving it as dark red. So it'll look something like this. And last way, you can also change the background color. You can do that also, so that your background color is changed. Then again, once you last if you do give the background color, then again you'll have to change the colors actually. So in case this is in blue, so I'll just make this as blue color. This I want it in red actually, so I'll make this as red. Yeah. So the final picture should look like this. So if you like this video, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. And I will see you in the next video.